Still continue.
I based in Dubai before, so I had issues, so I have to come back home. When I come back home, and I discover a lot of things went wrong along the line. Because when I traveled, I asked my mom to open an account for me, which is savings account. Because I traveled when I was very young. I don't have savings, I don't have account. I just found out with my WAEC and JAM. When I travel, I have the opportunity to travel. So I pleaded with them for them to help me to open an account. So she went ahead to open an account for me, which is Zenith. So whenever I send money, she will be the one to see the alert.
Your own biological mother. Your own biological mother.
Yes, yes. She will be the one to receive the alert. She will be the one to see everything. So the only thing I will do sometimes when I send money, I will just screenshot it and send this slip and tell her that I send money to you. This is the money. She will say, okay, no problem. Along the line, she said that she's no longer receiving alerts. She had this issue with her SIM card and all that. I said, okay, no problem. I will send it. When I send money, I will just screenshot it. I will send it to you on WhatsApp and inform you that I send money to the account. He said, okay, no problem. So that's how I was living with them and everything. So when I returned back to Nigeria this year, 2025, so I asked my mom that please, I want to go and have access to my account. They started having issue. That is where the whole issue started from. That I should please. They started only family meeting that we should have some conversation that I should please bust into my service. That there is no money there inside my account. My stepdad was sick, so they have to help him. They have to bust into the service and help him. I was like, are you guys serious or you're just trying to pull my leg? I was thinking that maybe it's a joke. He said they are serious, that nobody to help them. She don't want to lose her husband the second time again because I lost my dad when I was 6 months old. So she don't want people to call her names, that she have lost, what is it called, 2 husbands and all those kind of stories. I was like, okay, fine. You bust into the service, like, how much do you guys spend and how much is remaining? Yes. He said there's no money inside. Even they can't even see 500 naira and bring her from like they say there's no money inside at all. They use the money to save my stepdad, and the same stepdad that is now fighting me for me to leave his own house. Like no money, no property, nothing for them to show up. Like I'm fucking frustrated now. Like I don't really know what to do. I've been fighting this thing. It goes to a place I cannot handle it on my own. I cannot control it. I have to cry out to Auntie Winnie. Auntie Winnie should come to my rescue. Even yesterday, I went into a fight with them. They really beat me up, messed up. Like if you saw my body.
Wait. How many people? How many guys English? How many people beat you? How many people beat you?
My stepbrother and the rest of them. My mom was even sitting in the, so it was not looking at them. My mom, I had issue with them concerning the land. I asked them, okay, where is my land? My mom wanted to tell me, say the land. He was the one that bought the land. So the name is there. Her own signature is there. So even if I call anybody, I go and nobody to come and fight for me. Even if anybody come, that he is going to ask them that who bought the land. She's the one that bought the land. Her name is there and her signature is there. Like me, I'm not even fighting for land. Let them settle me with money. Let me go and start up life again. That is what I'm asking for from them. And that is where the whole issue is coming from now, presently now. Like 6 years of my life just go like that. That's what they're trying to tell me.
Calm down. How old were you before you traveled out of the country? How old were you?
I was 19 years old.
You traveled to Dubai?
Yes, and I traveled out of frustration because of what my stepdad was doing to me.
Now you're 26.
Yes.
How much in total for these 6 years you spent in Dubai?
I'm not. The thing is that I can't really calculate like that because I was not receiving a lot. So the only thing I do, I will just push money there. So they will be the one receiving the alerts, receiving everything. So because my coming to Nigeria is unexpectedly. I come to Nigeria unexpectedly. I did not expect my coming back home. So the phone I was using is not me. So the one I'm using now is just a new phone. Like just trying to even my goods.
They beat you and destroyed your phone.
Like my coming back to Nigeria was unexpectedly, so they brought me back home. Let me just put it down.
Like you were deported of a kind, like the form of deportation.
Yes, so let me put it that way. So the phone, my other phone I was using is not me. So this one I'm using is just a new phone. So I'm just trying to get myself back and all that.
Do you still have some receipt? Okay, like in your mind, without being sentimental, like how much can you think you
Let me
have?
say, if I want to do rough calculation, let me just put it
Yes.
out like rough calculation. I don't want to lie. Let me just put like, let me say rough calculation should be like 5 million. Like the rough calculation I can calculate, like the rough, since
That's
those
good.
years, yeah, the one I can calculate, like the rough calculation.
Separated from the one that you were sending to them for feeding and
Yes,
for paying bills.
yes, yes,
Wait, you have step brothers and step sisters.
yes.
How many child your mama gets? How many child you born?
Total is 8. But me,
Now only you the born for your father. The rest now this your stepdad the born am for.
yes,
And your mother have the same mind to join these same people. I can't go with your come and say like you people are even closer because you people are same mother. If I'm not mistaken, correct me. You people are same mother but not same father.
yes, the same mother, different father.
You know, see life. No. When you wait, calm down a little. When you come back from Dubai now, because of what happened there in Dubai, how did they not tell you that the money that you have been sending to them is no longer the how? How?
When I came back, I told my mom that we should go to bank so that I can have access to my account. I need to start using money and I need to start up life. I need to get
Our
I need to get myself the apartment and start up something doing and all that. And that is when the whole issue started. It was like, okay, I'm coming. We'll go today, we'll go tomorrow, postponing different stories. So I was like, you have to stop all this whole thing. We have to go there. So I need to start or something. I need to be doing something before people realize what is going on and people realize my coming back home and all that. And my stepdad called me. They said I should come inside. I was coming, they arranged seats. They said I should sit down, and I sit down. My stepdad started like this. If I said I should kneel down and beg you, it's insult. I cannot kneel down for you because I'm older than you. But I have to say this. I'm sorry. When I was sick, that's when your mom, they have to make use of your money and use it to treat me. I was taking it as a joke. I was just thinking that maybe they are just trying to pull my leg out. And I asked my mom, like, is this thing a joke or you people are just looking for my reaction? You want to know what I will say and all that. Then my mom laid down and started crying. I'm sorry. I said, okay, fine. How much did you use and how much is remaining? They said there's no money inside.
what now left for them between you yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday, because the whole thing is I'm tired already. So I have to add issue with them and let them raise money for me. I want to start up something. I want to get an apartment for myself. I can't continue living with them like I'm tired. That's when the whole issue started. And my mom was like, me also I sacrifice on you. When I gave birth to you, I was the one that take care of you and everything. So even if I eat your money, you don't have a problem. I don't have a problem with
So
that.
that was what your mother told you.
Yes, that's when the whole issue started.
What tribe are you?
I'm from Edo State.
You speak Benin, right?
Yes.
Where are you right now? Like, where are you? In Edo State.
Close to Aduawa bypass.
With your own mother, be sure not your mama. Tell us the truth.
Na my mom.
As in
The only one I
same
have
carry you
like,
for belle for 9 months.
yes, na my mom. I wouldn't even cry out like if not be the issue we come up yesterday, like the thing don't too dey chop me inside body, don't too much. And people wey dey around come say maybe I be this kind girl wey travel, go do fashion, go live life anyhow, come back home like empty like that. So I have to cry out like people no dey go on. I don't feel am again. I no dey ask them now for land or anything. Wetin I just now make dem try. If dem no fit see all the money, make dem just raise up something for me. Make I find my own. Na wetin I just need from them when we dey get issue now. Na wetin dey go on now.
The way you take look there now, you look there like people wey go fit give you 50,000 naira. Not true.
Sami, I don tire. I no even know for the life. I don't just know for that. I don't know if I want to start from self.
You know what? Calm down a little bit. These days, in our platform here, we do verification very well. So, am I permitted to send someone to you tomorrow for verification purpose?
You are free, 100%. Like, I give you 100%.
Well, my fans, I understand now. Let's go through details and investigate this issue very well.
You are free. Like, you are free. And if you are free, even if you come, I will try my best so that the person can also confirm for my mom if I'm lying also.
So your mother is from Edo State too. She speaks Benin.
Yes. So you are free. Like if the person still come, the person still put phone for what is it called, record. So they interrogate her, they ask her question. So me, you know that I know the.
Are you sure that money is 5 million naira, or is it because you are now?
Now it's like that is the rough calculation I can do. Like the rough calculation
the one that you can remember.
Like yes, the way like I was not the one receiving the alert, but I know the rough calculation I can ever do. Let me just put it that way. For the 6 years I live in that place.
Okay, aside the money you were sending her to save for you.
I did not calculate her own money and everything. I mean, I'm just the one I was sending her for her to save for me.
It's 5 million. Okay, now calculate the one that you were sending her and your stepfather and your step sister and your step brothers.
Well, one start from like it's too much there because even when my stepdad get attacked for leg, when they throw my stepdad something, I was the one that was taking care of the bees and everything. If they come, they will see the leg if I'm lying. So the person that you want to send, if the person come, they will see the leg, the attack, they will see with their eye. So if not only the leg, they don't even pay. I was saying we'll start from that place. The leg with the attack. For the money assistment for that one. So if not only that one alone, so I don't want just go into their own. Because that one, that might just person and sacrifice that for them. But now my own now that I cry for.
Don't worry. If it is true that all these things you are saying is true, we help. But we first of all, normally not about like this before. But because the kind of people who call the help for here, now come because they go into verification. Before we do anything, I know you did not tell us to help. You did not. But let's see how it goes first. Let me send some person there tomorrow to see the situation of things. What dey you? I'm not even myself. We were there, John. We were there outside country. You see, you don't see like some of una go put family problem for head. To shop, it go be problem for now. Some people dey sleep where fowl dey sleep for Europe just to satisfy their parents in Africa. At the end of the day, mama use this girl if you dey send money for your papa and your mama hand. Tell them now make more than use this one leg. More than dey wait say they are your blood, they are your blood. See, let me tell you the truth. Now blood call even lose that person pass this period. Blood, when it comes about your blood. And because now this girl needs rehabilitation, man. She's emotionally down. She's traumatized already. Because with what this guy just explained now, really, imagine the girl she travel at 19. Somebody was supposed to day school. That's what supposed to day school, they still study. Traveled out of the country in 2019 when she was 19 years. Meaning this girl was born in the year 2000 year. And now look at what the family is doing to her. Meaning she traveled out of the Nigeria to Dubai. The family problem and stress was on her. You know what? Trouble for the stress. Favor is your name, right?
Yes.
I will pause your issue for now. When I send someone to you tomorrow, we'll bring you back here. Okay?
No problem. I'm ready.
Let's investigate.
No
If
problem.
anybody lay their hands on you, just let me know. You have my number already. Okay?
Okay, sir.
If anybody lay their hands on you, if anybody beat you again, let me know.
No problem, sir.
I will send someone there tomorrow. And I'm going to arrange it tonight because I don't know say this kind of thing will happen. So I will try. If I don't feel make come reach your time tomorrow, maybe next tomorrow. Okay?
No problem. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you, everyone.
All right.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Let's go for verification. But before I will talk about the next topic, see what they happen for family. You were there Europe now, you go dey spend money dey give person now for Africa. They think say that they save am for you. Not tell your family now say make dem bring statement of account as you dey Europe. So even if you not get document, tell them say make dem go bring statement of accounts. With wetin just that people get so, Winnie.
Epa, thank you so much. See, I want to use this opportunity to tell people when they here. Now, who family never took out for it, and I go say yes, you get the best family. You understand? See, many of us we don't see 99. You see that remaining 1%, we just dey use and they push life they go. You understand? And secondly, if you don't say yes, you get any property for us, your brother, your mother, your father, anybody help you buy any property, tell them to send the paper for you. Come for Europe for here, make you hold your property by yourself. Tell them to bring the paper of everything. If you know say yes, anybody open account for you, my dear, if you know you not put email before, try and put email for your accounts. Maybe they know what they happen for your account because you see this girl owner, they learn. They learn. Some of us every day we dey cry for status, so we dey cry. And solution not they come. What don't happen, don't happen. A lot don't happen when we say yes. We know people open mouth talk. Some of us will nearly die for depression. We see ourselves for hospital. Things happen. They say not be everything where I see or when you hear go fit talk. Some will just open your mouth for ground bar. Now my brother do this one. Now this one I do this one.
Oh God. Yeah, but it's not funny.
God. It's not funny, things they happen. Okay, imagine say a young girl like this of 90 years travel out. You know, say not the everything she even talk. Then this one, you sure they take cut his leg yesterday.
Wait. Wetin I wan do, I know people when I get the kind of people that they send dey go that kind of place. Not be normal person they send dey go that kind of place.
Okay, now at the end of the day, now your brother they use to confirm attack they threaten the
confront no dey rain again for Edo State. Except say you wan make dem burn that house. Na me dey talk. That's why I want to go into foundation next year. Confraternity does not reign in Edo State. Maybe na because say the girl na small pikin. That's what the state threaten am. If Okpewolo, that first Okpewolo no dey do everything when I love. If na that confrat make Okpewolo just dey do, na God go bless Okpewolo. Confraternity in Edo State now is useless. In Edo State, if you do am, they catch you, they'll burn your ass. You know many Jado has a dog ball. See that one with the you say you be confirmed. Okay. That's why I want to send some kind of people. Not be this will not be real people. These are not normal people. There are people who will send to that house tomorrow.
If I just want me, they just help the girl because like okay, don't see Wetin mother do in own daughter. You tell the daughter say that
the girl lost her father when the girl dey 6 months. Okay, tomorrow now, people, if I got a saga the mama tomorrow now, you're going to see some stupid people. If it's okay, you cannot love the mother. You cannot love the girl the mother. You cannot love that they see evil mother. To get good mama, we don't know what God do for us. There are evil mother out there. And from next year, we're going to begin to fetch all the evil mothers. We don't want their children marry. Next year, now, it's going to be very, very brutal. 2026 is the year of brutality. For some people in Africa, more than 1 man to marry. If there are other topic where America now, una go still hear wetin mama tell pikin. Though that one never come explain, but allegedly now they talk that one now. A lot of problems wey dey happen for this Europe Parents in Africa, they contribute.
Yes, now.
A lot of single mothers, people marriages they break today. Go check us, check here for come. It's either the mama na bad person or the papa na bad person. Some mothers they will tell their people say, born for them and not marry am. At the end of the day, I know of a story now they also pick up for me. Yesterday I dey hotel. 2 a.m. in the night, people don't they pick up for night. I got to pick. Because the girl was crying. He say, "Pa, my baby papa, him mama tell the husband say make he leave the woman, he leave am." And I say, "That will not be married." My baby Akadina, my mama will tell me say, "Leave mama Nora." I say, "Okay, mommy." The next thing I don't come up for us, I don't come back as again. A lot of parents are coming for you, but it no dey matter. A lot of parents wey no want make their children better for you, wey dey always dey want make their children dey send them money. I am coming for you all next year. It is a good one. Don't be my power. That's not want to go into foundation. We will from here go dey help the people for those states with our good heart we will get. Any parents at all like this one now, if I read them tomorrow, we confirm us in our truth. They are bishops, they are first sample and here. May we begin to beat them. Because if you don't post them for media, I trust some people for Africa. They'll come say, when I saw you, they don't go put them, actually they don't go post also. Maybe not because I get fatherly love towards them. My papa, because they father my papa. If your papa, as my mama be today, so I thought my mama is the best. Because my mother don't usually play. If not my mama, maybe I should walk back, I can use my mama to be proud because I know what my mama don't do for me. I know what my mother play. But because they are get good mama does not mean that a lot of people have the lucky of having a good mother. Some mothers they Nigeria, they are not to send their money or they sleep. Now my mama let me know say as far you are in Europe, as far as your people don't dey Europe, you as the mother you are not supposed to sleep. When I really enter Europe, I can't say my mama, I can't say she just dey talk. Now when I call enter media like this, I come say okay, you have to use what you have to fight what you have. So mothers are supreme, but not all mothers. Imagine, picking when you born for another man, you send her
your own first love.
Your own first daughter, you send her to Dubai. At the end of the day, all the money where your pikin send for you, you say you use her to treat his stepfather. Papa will not born her. Okay, the girl say okay. How much she call the man? I'm not 600 naira from. The girl not tell now everything when you tell me for his house. He say my master you open poultry farm. Come with the swan. Those small far away where you need to feed them from now till July next year before they will grow. See what mama they do. See what parents do. Please.
Okay, normally now, Epa. That girl now, you say even though in father led, the stepfather led, and she dey spend money. My multi leg dey pay now. I know how much I don dey spend dey come. E don reach to take build better house, You understand? You go know how much the girl say don spend no less than 4.something million for a papa leg. Based on say yes, me I still get experience for all those native bullets wey dem dey throw. You dey get? Now what she talk now? You say she spent 4.something million because they see a lot of comments when they talk say make she bring proof. This woman now her mother open account. Not be now everybody say okay that they get email, they do this one. Person of 90 years, you know whether she get any social media handle before, you know whether she get email before. You understand? She don't have access to that account. She just only says like roughly 5 million. Meaning say money when they that account is no less than 15 million, 20 million. Now what is the small girl go feel say okay this one at the last money where this say she don't send. You understand? Person wey don dey Dubai for 6 years. You know tell me say that only 5 million naira she get for her account. And she get land. Mama collect land, say yes, now her name now dey for the paper of the land.
Così come sta adesso, se ti cambi, ti vesti, ti giochi, perdi 10 anni, lo so.
So families dey wey be say they no go die well. They no go die well. They supposed to drop for the just full rope for their neck. Motor just dey drag them for road.
Non è vero. Because maybe a lot of people there.
Sta piangendo?
The rate in which you imagine what this girl passed through now. If you call this man talk, people say no, yeah, that is look for topic again. A lot of them don't call me like this when they don't carry their parents come out. But since this one carry papa come out, we go help and drag the step father.
Yes, na because na small girl na. Okay, say the papa now dey pursue and the stepdad dey pursue and make e comot for him house. Where the small girl wan go after dem don lavish him money? Where he wan go?
Wetin?
Make dem give her a land. If dem give her a land, make she sell the land. And make dem give her him money. Na so e reach.
Exactly. I fit for her, but that girl is no longer safe in that house. That's the truth.
She no dey safe na. After say person your own stepbrother beat you, use shovel cut your leg. Dem fit suffocate am for night now.
Well. So my people, thank you, Winnie. I'll get back to you. We need to send person go. Normally before the person cry out like this, we dey help instantly. Any money we see, because normally the girl need to go for renters outside first before she go fight. Yes, before she go fight this family well. That's the truth. Because this matter not go end for you. You go reach court. Because we do way. No. So you go reach court. Let's say I'm going to be. So we're going to come back to this girl issue tomorrow. And I'm going to give you guys feedback